This video is to explain how to attend a Google Meet using a nickname. First, make sure that you're going into Google Chrome as your browser. When you enter, make sure that you are logged into BCPS. So it should have your BCPS username at bcps.org, and here's your initial. Then go to Schoology. Choose the course. And go down where your teacher has their virtual class information. There's a link for Google Meet and the nickname. Highlight over the nickname and either press Ctrl+C to copy it onto the clipboard, or you can right-click and select copy. Once you have it copied, click on the link. When you get into Google Meet, again make sure that you have that initial in the corner, that you are logged in with your BCPS username at bcps.org, because the nickname will not work unless you are logged in to Google Chrome with the BCPS. Click here and you can do Ctrl+V to paste it in, or you could have selected paste from the right-click menu. You can also just type it in, but there is more risk of error. Hit continue. And then join. You're now in your class.